Hi everybody, I thought it would be great to show you my toiletry bags that I pack when I am traveling with a carry-on piece of luggage and a personal item only. I have two toiletry bags, one dry, one liquids, that I use to get a multitude of items, is like many items. So I don't feel like I have to live without any of my things that I might want on my trip. So I'm going to show you how I pack my toiletries, and I think it's a little different than what most people do, so it really works for me. I found that it worked when I went to Europe. I took another long trip where I visited family across the country. I did carry-on only, and this is exactly how I packed my bags. So here are my two bags, my two toiletry bags that I pack when I want to travel with carry-on only. So that means I'll have a carry-on piece of luggage and a personal item, which is like a backpack. This is how I do my toiletries. I put all my dry stuff in one bag and all my wet stuff in that quart-sized bag, just in case that's required somewhere. And then I make this easy to access when I'm going through security. So here's my dry bag. I just unloaded everything and I put it on my bed, and I want to go through everything that's in there so you see everything I was able to pack. And then I'll put it back in. We have several Q-tips, hand sanitizer wipes, several Band-Aids, Tylenol, makeup remover if I need it. I don't always wear makeup when I'm traveling, but if I need it, these are nice to have. A nail file, a couple rubber bands, 2 razors, Tylenol. Gosh, what is this again? I can't even remember what this is. Oh, this is ibuprofen also. So this is pain relief. Then I have this stick lotion. I also have a liquid lotion, but you could choose one or the other. And this is some of my makeup items that I would consider to be in the dry category. And nail clippers and dental floss. In my liquid bag, this is a quart-sized freezer bag that fits the size requirements. I have these 4 small containers I use for different types of lotions. It could be shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I use my moisturizer in there. That's what I usually put in here. Today I happen to have another shampoo and conditioner, so I could have an additional couple of fluids. I have a small travel hairspray. I have some liquid makeup stuff here, cover-up sticks. My lip aquaphor, toothpaste. This is actually a smaller hairspray. I don't need both of those. This is another moisturizer I like to have. It's the Neutrogena. I like this, and I have a travel size, so I'll use that. Then I have some other lotion and Neosporin. I like to have that in case anything happens. Anyways, I'm gonna put all these back in right now, and if you look at it, there's still room on the top. So I think the best thing you can do is just get very small containers for all your items. I ordered all these little like Tylenols and little hand sanitizers and stuff, so you aren't carrying like a whole bottle. And same thing with this bag. We can load it up. This one you have to be a little more careful. I do stack all these in there just like that so that it works. Okay, so everything's back inside. These are kind of lined up. That really helps to have them lined up and things kind of going up and down. This is all the items. And then I like to make this easily accessible, so I would put it in the backpack, probably the little front pocket that I showed on my last video. This is where I keep this bag of liquids, because if I'm asked to pull it out, if they want to see it for any reason, even though I know they're getting better about that, I'm still just sort of trained. I can easily access it. The other one would go in with my dry stuff, would go in this big, well, it's a carry-on size. All right, everybody, that was it. That's how I pack my bags. I find it to be really functional. If you see anything that you think I missed, or if there was any items I didn't pack that you feel like I should have packed, or that you need that's larger, or that you're trying to figure out how to pack, let me know. Put it in the comments below and I will get back to you. I really want to solve these problems for you and help you figure out the best way to pack to get all your stuff so that you're comfortable and you have a great trip and you're not burdened by having too much stuff. All right, thanks, bye-bye. Hey, if you enjoyed that video, I thought you might like to check out this video next. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time.